How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And some of you guys have been asking about the single year plan for NordVPN. So if you go to the website without any discount codes, you'll find that the single year plan is $4.99. And even when using a discount code, such as the one in the description down below, you'll get a screen that looks like this. Click grab the deal, and the single year plan will remain the same. Unfortunately, there are no further discounts available for the NordVPN single year plan besides the one that's already available, which is at $4.99 a month for the first year. However, if you look at the 2-year plan right here, you'll be able to grab it at $3.99 a month, saving 51%, paying $95.76 for the first 2 years. But if you click the link in the description down below, you'll be able to grab a pretty good discount. Instead of paying $95.76 for the first 2 years, you'll be paying $78.96 for the first 2 years, saving just under $20. So that'll be $3.16 a month instead of $3.99 a month, and you'll be getting an extra month for free. So yeah, there are no further discounts for the single year plan, but if you guys are interested in this offer for the 2-year plan, be sure to check the link in the description down below. And you'll also find a full review in the description as well if you'd like to learn more about NordVPN's privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security features. All right, and keep in mind that all the plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you are able to try out the service for the first 30 days completely risk-free. And you have 24/7 live chat support right here at the support button. So that's pretty much it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.